Have you ever wondered how modern factories can create incredibly complex parts with absolute precision? The answer is CNC machines. The backbone of today's manufacturing world. CNC stands for computer numerical control. And these machines use computer programming to guide cutting tools, drills, and even lasers with mind-blowing accuracy. Imagine being able to cut shape and polish a piece of metal or wood, all without ever touching it by hand. That is what CNC does every single day. One of the most fascinating things about CNC machines is their ability to switch tools. Automatically, a single machine can hold and operate more than 50 different tools. Drills, mills, cutters, and taps, all stored inside a built-in tool magazine, need to drill a hole done, cut a perfect groove, unswitch to a milling bit. For a complex 3D surface done in seconds, no human needs to step in. This flexibility allows CNC machines to manufacture everything from aircraft engine components to dental implants and even custom furniture. And the best part, they do it with microscopic precision, often within a thousandth of a millimeter. In fact, some factories run CNC machines overnight in total darkness without a single operator present. It is called lights out manufacturing, and it shows just how autonomous and reliable these machines have become. So the next time you hold a perfectly engineered product, a car part, a smartphone frame, or even a piece of jewelry, remember, a CNC machine probably made it using dozens of different tools, all on its own. CNC technology is not just the future of manufacturing, it is modern manufacturing.